In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit discounts on Fresher. Whether you're looking to entice new clients with an attractive offer or reward your loyal customers with special deals, mastering the art of editing discounts on the Fresher platform can significantly contribute to the success of your business. Let's take a closer look at how you can modify your current discounts to better suit your promotional needs and strategies. First, let's make sure we're starting right at the beginning. You'll need to navigate to Fresher specifically designed for business use. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type https://www.fresher.com/for-business in the address bar, or simply search for Fresher for Business. This page is where all the magic happens, allowing businesses to manage appointments, client relationships, and importantly marketing efforts including discounts. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice a login option. Clicking on this is your first step into accessing the back end of your account where all your business tools are housed. Just follow the prompts and it will guide you through. The subsequent step involves selecting the For Business option once again, this time from within the login environment. This ensures you're accessing the business side of the platform where you have the capability to manage discounts among other features. Moving forward, the system will prompt you to sign in using your Google account. This is a convenient feature that allows you to quickly access your Fresher business account if your credentials are linked with Google. Simply click on Sign in using Google and choose the appropriate Google account you wish to use. This should be the account associated with your Fresher business profile for seamless integration. After successfully signing in, your next destination within the Fresher platform is the marketing section. This can be found directly from the dashboard or sometimes within the more comprehensive menu, depending on how your screen is laid out. Inside the marketing section, you're looking for a specific feature titled Deals. This is essentially where all your active and past deals live, and it's the starting point for editing an existing discount. Once in the Deals section, browse through your list of active discounts until you find the one you wish to alter. Each discount will have its specific entry displaying key information. Click on the discount's title or the associated options button to proceed. Following this, an edit option will be presented. This is where you're able to adjust the specifics of your deal. Upon clicking edit, you'll be taken to a page that lets you modify the essence of your discount. Here you can change the discount value, affecting how this deal is perceived by potential and existing clients. It's critical to consider the impact of your discount value on both your attractiveness to clients and your bottom line. After adjusting the value to a desired amount, confirming the change is as simple as hitting the Continue button. The next screen deals with promotion configurations. Even though your main goal here is adjusting the discount value, it's always good to double check your promotion strategy to ensure it aligns with your newly edited deal. Click Continue once more to move to the final step. Your final step involves saving your newly edited discount. Before you do so, double check all details, including which of your employees the discount applies to, ensuring no unintentional changes have slipped through. After reviewing, click on Save to finalize your changes. Now your edited discount is live and ready to attract more clients to your business. Remember, keeping your discounts fresh and aligned with your business goals is key to creating an enticing offering that attracts customers and keeps them coming back. Editing your discounts on Fresher is a simple yet powerful way to maintain the appeal of your business promotions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily tailor your discounts to better meet the needs of your clientele and your business goals. Take the time to review your discounts regularly to maximize their effectiveness and ensure they are contributing positively to your business.